suit you well.
I like you.
Yeah.
I think
You think? What do you think?
you're cute.
Wanna know how? Look.
That cute guy's kissing me.
I need some more Gatorade. This is good. Oh, it's still here?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's so good.
What was that?
Can I cuss?
Do you really want to?
Yeah?
What do you want to say?
Fuck!
Okay, you probably shouldn't say that too loud.
Oh, sorry. I'm not sorry, actually.
Y'all told me to just. Oh my God! Women, ladies, calm down. Calm down.
No, you better not give me no popsicle, mom. You know I already know I don't like no popsicle. Stop. Ah, my wrist hurt. Am I back to life?
Come on, you need the fluids.
Yep.
Look. No! No! No, mama. I like girls, mama. No.